I want to show you a scenario where you can pick up a picture of a box with the dielines somewhere from internet, or if a customer send it to you, or if you sketch it up, how you can convert it to dielines, and after that, how to make it even parametric. So let me share my screen. In main view, you should start a project. Blank project, choose the right material. And then you just need to enter this picture. So I put it on the desktop. It's a picture with visualization of this one. So just put it here. Don't forget, right click, show images in background. It was not set by default. Well, what's the purpose? It allows the pictures to draw on them, not to modify. So we're going to sketch up. It's not necessary to draw perfectly. Use some of the tools here. Just draw some elements. We need on all the panels like this. Once again, it's not necessary to be perfectly drawn. You can even draw the right side and after that mirror it on the left. I will continue drafting here. This. Just use the relations between the objects. This is important to save time later. Like this. The same on the left side. Once again, not necessary to be precise. We just need the contours. Okay, then copy this, right click, make a new one up, paste it here. And now we need to set the proper line styles. The software should know where to cut and where to crease. Just mark all these elements, make them creasing. This one, holding the Shift button, you can change the style of many elements at once. Okay, hope everything is done well. How to check this? Of course, you can manually see the elements, everything is connected, but we give an opportunity to use a special transformation that is called Fix Assistant. It will analyze the structure. You don't care about perpendicular. Just remove automatically double lines. Check once again. And now we have a structure. Okay, how to be sure that it is precisely designed and how to be able to manipulate the dimensions. There is a special unique functionality called Find Matching Standard. The software will analyze the structure and it will search the database and demonstrate options like same or similar designs. In this case, I think this one looks pretty similar. You can change dimensions from here or change it later. So we open it and this one is parametrical. It's perfectly designed. As you can see, all these openings here, the holes here for locking, and all these elements are included. What's the difference with this one? We don't have these elements. It's easy, they're components. You can easily delete without damage the structure. Then we go to the 3D, refresh it. And now we have to play a bit with the 3D itself. All the steps, right click, insert the step below. And on this step, we have to close the panels in a proper way. This one, for example, this should be minus 90. This one should be in 0. And this one, let's see, fold it in 180. So this is all. that we need. Let's check the animation. You can use the different view here, transparent view, play the animation and see all the elements. Okay, this is our design. And it's same like this. Of course, you can always add these elements using components, make these foldings and everything. Thank you. Thank you for your time. There will be another video that will demonstrate if you have a ready file, dielines that come from customer, but if you are not certain if they are properly designed, how to convert them to dielines. Thank you.